Abasuafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so mesrel so be subscribe to my channel faunsa me abe on so obe notification and se me koso wo me mo bia obenye bia tie ana se obenye bia hwe e wo GCN page ha medin e de adwoa sechi nipa ya okase eye sabato na oya blogger e wo Facebook e na okase na ne se ma okay na ne se Ghana journalist for mo asori omububom ti se jata kasa de egu his excellency Nana Dankwa Akoffu Addo Ghana ye president hono ade a omu nyina enye sikendi na se ade omu nya sikedi a ankanya de a omu be sorry de his excellency Nana Dankwa Akoffu Addo because Nana do enye president a obekwa kobo besia de abra wo journalist se gidi because his excellency be ye president enyama bebre wo nani so a esese oye de eboa o my Ghana oya kwan 1D 1F NAPCO free SHS enyama bebre a his excellency ekeka ho a oye de eboa o my Ghana enti so we journalist now expect to say his excellency eba akwaje loan na wabetiti bia ma ho ana se politician bia be ma wo sia na waka wanwe ato na ne senti no amba ne sa na wo be kasa de egu na nado ho fi no eye wa e na obo ho abro because na nado de oye nyama pa de ema o my Ghana na onti se o man pani bia wa betena so a one de kire se ti se wan kase no wa tete ama ti se wan kase no wa tete ama one o ma usika ready his excellency o ma usika na undi odwin Ghana fo ho enyafo mobrofo wona woni bi e na nado adwun mo ho na ni so ade hu nyina ne se ansa na obefi eye ne second term a obetwa ATS na chese Ghana ye ni so ade hu na abem emofo mo nye school na chese o mo nye school ekọ eye free SHS aba eboa enyafo ene mo free na nado ni so ade hu so beza enti so we journalist na so criticize na nado e wa bra onye hwea na chese wan kasa journalist no hu de oye na say na sabato e de etubia
different Ghana wo ye atuma mama nka ncha mo no journalist be like Kasme FM ne Nshila FM ne other radio stations TV3 I follow the good people TV3 some programs be on where talented kids they are trying to change the future of regeneration yeah nkura ya ba ya yetimi water and they are trying to change our life na wanya journalist no abetena ho ba akoto Akoffu Addo me kasa wose wono Akoffu Addo me kasa ma ya ye kopa adwuma ye nua ma mkopa adwuma ni aje omo bride obi se ono di Akoffu Addo madin nenam social media se ono no ma adwuma o me ye fa police o me ye fa soldier adwuma o me ye fa migration into war charge na Akoffu Addo me ka ho ase na journalist for atete won na me penyansam ye fi ba akotrim aka say esa abane de ne esi fom na sa no ma no ye twam ana sa no ma no esutwa eno ne friends ye fisika na journalist na oche wan ebere no a think ono o sa opportunity na ne offer se beti fie oni adwuma ye etiko no ena obepia na offer na na amana kosem kane ansa na wo kra na o ti social media se o pa adwuma enu nti hu ba be tresika no oberi ka ne busuafo na kọ ehime rough na mse wo ya kwase ampanyin ne kire ono bati wan hu awu adwena ode te wo we wa friend no journalist sa atwene na wo Ghana from tirim tina mse pesame kuminya enu na ama social media no journalist for no munni matwuma no because Akoffu Addo ba no wa nya sika Akoffu Addo ba no wa hu de wo ye won teacher ma wunya bi enu nti wontimi ehunu de esa woka aye Akoffu Addo no mapa wontimi hu de esa woka aye Akoffu Addo no mapa e change the life of Ghanaians eno ani bosia na okoje no na ye wahi na abeta na odi na tem na odome no masa won kan hu se wiase na ye wo no anu adidi nchini di mako sa anu na edi hire wo enti sa wo dome Akoffu Addo a sa wo wuje journalist na sa wo wa cheka prefro bi wanya no ntu a wo kawate. So we are journalists, not
we can to destroy. As long as it's not coming from our camp, we will not agree. Those who were smart enough, they left. Mumbisa Moho say, where is Kwame Ahoy? Where's Ato Ahoy? Those people that the NDC for Nankasano, the real main NDC for no Omo he Where are they? Why are they not on this journey with you guys? I don't know na tiada. Because someone will say the current situation or the current state of NDC, you know, problematic. To me for nye bibia mani ye. Adis yenko kunipa yenko share de yen tiasie ye pe boys. Hey, let's organize boys no mo shi jama and the NDC for beba. Ye de obi akokot ye pe nipa kakra no ma she party t-shirt e de akodi na chi NDC for beko. Hey, enso share wo ho oh enya hwe ye beko mo fengu ye ho ye yenkokọ. Hey, sa nti mo de bia no we abukashi na abukashi eno nko a. Da bi nye na abukashi nko a. NDC enye na abukashi nko a to da mo mama dwene no enye djuma mo manyankopon na ni onyam ndadi se mo de na adwene odema mo no be ya djuma sebe some of you mo wonyansa chen sami jamfi enso sami jamfi be ba be ka asem a kire no wagye adi na no mo na wo de be ya djuma enkosi da ben mo be kokot afi mo wen mugase eko mo wen mugase a afi de mo de to mo. Okay, now me baha na me bekasa na se manka me so me party asemo a Mr. Akoffu Addo hold no who president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president say he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting say since that is the case we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? Say na Akoffu Addo na win ya na. I still don't get you guys. Aden na bibia minuanum we be bia no say ye ntro say ye nada say ye wickedness just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so mo be bia ye bone. Now, omu wie ye no. And almost signed the question petition. Patrotio, I couldn't see I'm taking you guys back because Ghana for me who say some of us ye mu bebre no ye yare awiefre. A refrain idea where you are setting up panel and my refrain idea ntem because I would the sum for 4 or 5 years. Nanyamia da Roma will be a ba. That's a 4 or 5 years. What a high mo I won't consume. Nanyamia my opportunity say, Koda send ni payas say, where to me the higher see so from fear 9. Nasa woko to a bet Tiana say, who paid the ordi doom so a ba yama will business say ye, wo mewu ye wu kunedi, ye wu ye just say hairdressers for baba for wine ice water for ice cream for ni na ho chire omo. And these are all people that are in Ghana, and anyone that was in Ghana anybody that was in Ghana during the Doomsaw time faced it and knew how devastating the Doomsaw thing was. It is a free sa ade ni mu ni na afi na sen emfie 920 because na Akoffu Addo aba wo kan yesi so wo light ye adwuma wonya ayi iron de to ade e say wonya light de sua ade enti no owi afi se na wo da sumu a then you mean say we really have to educate and conscientize our people because